Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we are looking at the AOSP Debloater. The best part is that it works completely without root. This is an AxManager module specifically designed to clean up your AOSP ROMs by removing unnecessary system apps. But before we begin, I want to give a very important warning. If you are not sure about what you're doing, please do not use it. Let us start by locating the file. I'm opening my file manager right now to show you exactly what we're working with. Over here in my Downloads folder, you can see the AOSP Debloater zip file. It is a lightweight package, but extremely powerful. Make sure you have this exact zip downloaded and saved in a folder where you can easily find it. Do not extract the zip file, just leave it exactly as it is. Now, let us move on to the installation. Open up the AxManager application on your device. The installation steps here are going to be the exact same as Magisk. First, go down to the Modules section. Then, click on the floating plus icon. Select the zip file we just looked at, and it will start the installation automatically. You will see the setup text scrolling on the screen. After the installation is complete, just click on Reignite and then hit the Close button. We're now back on the main module screen inside AxManager. If we look at our list, you can clearly see the AOSP Debloater is successfully installed and showing up as an active module. The system recognizes it and it is ready to be configured. Let us access the WebUI right inside the AxManager modules page to see all the settings for the module we just installed. This interface gives you total control over what stays and what goes. Right here, you get options like Extreme Debloat for a completely minimal system, Light Debloat to just trim the basics, and a specific Google Debloat. If you ever make a mistake or change your mind, do not worry. You can see there are revert options available for all of these settings on this very same page. Let us head over to the app drawer and check out our results. The system interface is noticeably cleaner right away. You can see that some of the standard Google apps are now completely removed. Even the default AOSP camera that came pre-built with this ROM has been entirely uninstalled from the device. That brings us to the end of this overview. Enjoy your newly debloated and much faster AOSP experience. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.